Okay, let's see if it was worth waking up the neighborhood with a smoke alarm. We have our Kaiweets smart multimeter in front of us, and what makes it smart is that it auto senses what you want to measure in certain cases, and it also tells you where to insert the probes. Does it get any easier? So the first thing we're going to want to check is for continuity of our B and C center to our feed line. And sure enough, don't know if you hear the beep, it's there. And then let's check the continuity between our radials and our outer sheath. And we have continuity. And because of the magic of the way this antenna works, we should be able to have continuity between our center line on our B and C and the outer. We do. And then as well here, we should have continuity. And if we do, we're golden. It was worth it.